Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Someone guard! General salute! Salame! Just!
It was very challenging to work here. When I came there, Corona pandemic was at the peak, and our policemen were deployed everywhere at the borders, at the places, the crowded places, and we have control this Corona pandemic. We have taken action against those who were violating guidelines and instructions of the government. It is the duty of senior police officer to take welfare measures for police department. When I joined there in the press conference, there was a question that what will you do about promotion? So whenever vacancies were there, I could fill up. Around 1,500 promotion we could do at various ranks up to the level of sub-inspectors and up to level inspectors also. The question which you raises regarding promotion from DYSP to SP and from PSI to inspector and inspector to DYSP, the matters are at final stage. I could take up with the government vigorously. I have written so many letters. We have held several meetings. I think the problems will be sorted out very soon. I hope the government will respond positively with the request of police headquarters. Regarding recruitment, we have taken measures to expedite recruitment process because there is a shortage of manpower in Goa police. So around 2,000 vacancies have been advertised. I think after May, the officers who are here, they will follow up and they will expedite the procedure. We have followed up for that. We are getting sanction of, we have already got sanction of these equipments. And I think after May, officers should follow in such a way so that all equipments, all modernized equipments, all buildings are on the place. Besides that, I have already, again returned for say 67 vehicles because it is required. Vehicles are really required for patrolling and police presence in this, in Goa. So I am grateful that some proposals have been sanctioned by the Goa government. So in fact, Goa government has sanctioned, that's why we could get vehicles. But for Goa staff, I can only advise when we take oath, we must work sincerely, we must work for the people, we must work professionally and whatever with fairness. The people should see in our action, fair action. We should not support anybody, we should only support law. Whatever in law it is written, we must do it.